bende gin one party system. One party system en ni governor ja ODM, speaker ODM, deputy governor ODM, majority ODM. Onge democracy. Democracy in a democratic legislative house, the minority, the majority, opposition. Kono counties waka be onge opposition. En kaka one single system or wacho eka kodi. Kiwe kata mna barabara go. You cannot explain gmomiyo subtandewa manyanza no onge gayat. To pesa tigene yudo. And there are counties. Makueni is doing well. Monya lupi mogo. Nganene ngamiluongo ni Muranga. Who is the governor Muranga? Governor Mamuranga and Irungu Kangata. Irungu Kangata ogolo prototype. Joka timog mulungu na empowerment. Ma direct. Okara baragi direct empowerment. Any project mar moti mogujo farmers choice. Magi pido ogikelo ne anguro matendo. Tomiyo kijande makanyogo to gipido, then the farmers choice biro kao kenda anguro go. It is working in other counties. Irungu Kangata, the full food feeding program mar Irungu Kangata, or the from ECD to class aboro. Because of our leaders are not accountable to the people. Our leaders were accountable to ODM and Raila Molo Odinga. That is how they got those positions. Manaka negi jopo kacha. Kuno negi ngen Raila no tiyo maber in terms of national things. But no make our leaders very lazy. Our leaders get lazy. Okgiti, for example, lablo ngisi batembe Siaya. Angisi siasani. Governor nilinda mwananchi emotimu. Senator enjatelo malinda ground. Deputy governor no tich for almost 3 years ago. CC Mag County nyocha contracts yorumo korogi yon koro wang cabinet Siaya. Ginene mar governance CEO mar governance chung senator Siaya korezen campaign trail. Chief officer mar finance chung MP be korean campaign trail. Siaya koro for the next 2 years. There's complete nothing that will go on. Onge
makoro jopiny gain disadvantage ni koro jopiny tich actual ne
onge tich matimore completely the county government, because when you don't have you don't have a governor, tionge deputy governor, tionge chief officer, tionge CCs, the 11 CCs contact Gurumo. So I don't correct him vetting Siaya County Assembly for a new CCs Mondobi. New CCs kobiro sani get the orientation. Madika ogarubu 3 months mundo koro kendo gidonje teach. Kagidonje teach okwadhi e yero. So that means that the last financial year for Siaya County government, it's a kaput. It's gone. But you through a year to get the year kendo the same people to repeat the same mistake. Don't be shocked. You might end up repeating the same mistakes. In case why year nadi. Podo kujo through onge gombolo. Seche maji so jindio pangaline. Kata watch my pangaline maji go meka pesani. Oka wondi Sharon. Wothei Kikuyuni ka wothei Western. Kikala Kikuyuni ka kata Western. Kata Kisi. Ibrona no kaka to simuni ni bara boro nyetel chande. Machen MP marwa maka. Ngama shughulika kode onge. To thurua MP en ngama kobiro to en nyasaye moro matin. Tilawe ma apiko lawe na omotimre. And now even contesting against incumbents is difficult because you go kwalo pesa.
Well, you na bedo gendo ko tin record mana hinya kaluore koda seo nikech ichung ka ilo jopur kendo represent jopur mopogore to kwa ngikora mana gwenge mag Kano Nyando wangeni kinde ka kinde mana kisewacho akeni yore miwacho ni samoro un kaka jopur nubiro kanyakla ma ochulo gin yore mage mantiere aluora no maricho to bende achiel nare mabende jopur yudo nikech wangeni higa ka higa weche motendre kod oula ben gin mago mabende chando jopur ahinya gwenge mago mag Kano.
Ngeni ni Sharon nitie classification maga peini. Nitie national trunk roads, nitie rural access roads, to nitie gi urban city roads. Koro nitie county roads bende. Ma county bende timo budget ne iga ka iga banka gisetimo what you call the County Integrated Development Program CIDP kama jo piny propose a peini gi gik magidwa noger within a ward. But sida mawan go maduong any number one chief executive officers mag county gi magen governors gin wele county. 90% of sechegi gin Nairobi gwan gilimo alima ka gibiro miel koko biro miel Linda ground to obiro miele